Tandaan nyo guys, real talk lang, yung mayaman dyan talaga, yung mga nagmamarket. Bakit? They are all tied up with the brokers who simply will give them more commissions. Bakit? Ang goal ng bot is to simply trade, 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 trade. The more you trade, okay, the more you make money for the agents. Okay, bakit? Through commissions. What is good mga ka-champion, and welcome back to another video. For today's video, sasagutin lang natin yung mga paulit-ulit na tanong when it comes to my personal thoughts on Forex, EAs, and Forex trading signals. So today, I will give you my take on this Forex products and services coming from a trader who just used manual trading. So just a disclaimer, everything that I'll be saying, recommending, suggesting are all based on my personal opinion. Okay? So again, at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin naman na mag-decide whether you're going to avail all of these products and services or not. So before we dive into all of that details, okay, let me just thank all of my TFP VIP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta. Thank you so much. So without further ado, let's get straight to our discussion. So this Forex trading EAs, or what we know as expert advisors, and Forex trading signals for me are just merely products and services. So before you avail any of this, you just have to ask yourself, and you have to know ano nga bang purpose ng mga products na to as services. Okay? And the common thing na nagpa-pop up when it comes to these services and products are simply the term passive income. Okay? So these products and services are being offered or marketed as a means to earn money while you don't have to do anything. Okay? Hence, passive income yung aim nila. So definitely, that brings to my first reason. Take note, both of these Forex EAs and trading signal services have their own fair share of advantages and disadvantages. So, dun muna tayo sa first product, which is yung ating Forex EAs, or what we know as Forex Expert Advisors. So, take note, simply, this product is just an automated trading system. So, ibig sabihin yan, meron yung predefined algorithm or rules. Okay? And also, it possesses high frequency trading activities. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, that brings to my first reason why personally, I don't use, okay, Forex EA products. Okay, these are just bots trading on behalf of you. So, ibig sabihin yan, you are not in control of your trades. Yun yung isa sa pinaka-danger when you are availing this kind of products. You are not in control of your trades, hence, you are not in control of your money. Don't get me wrong, okay, tandaan nyo, ang purpose kasi ng EAs is to have that convenience sa mga tao na wala ka nang gagawin. I-intend mo na lang mag-generate ng passive income. Kasi that is how these people marketed itong Forex EAs, na parang madali na ang buhay nyo, maglalagay ka lang ng pera, isa-set up lang nila, and then hayaan mo lang yung bot mag-trade on behalf of yourself. Personally, the reason that I don't recommend, or the reason that I don't use EAs is because maraming uncertainty sa market and we're only dealing with probability and possibilities. Take note, we really cannot beat the market. Bakit? Kung kaya pala ng bot yan, then definitely all we have to do is just use the bot and make millions out of that. But take note, numbers don't lie. Hindi naman sa walang kumikita dito. Again, don't get me wrong, may mga kumikita naman talaga sa EAs. Okay? And ang sinasabi ko lang dito, mas marami kasi yung percentage ng mga nasusunugan kaysa sa mga kumikita. And sadly, yung mga taong namamarket dito ay yung talagang zero knowledge individuals. Okay? Ang target market ng mga taong nag-offer nito or nagmamarket nito are simply those people na walang alam sa trading. Okay? Bakit? It is easy to market this kind of products to all those people na number one, okay, you will be enticed by the term passive income, meaning wala kang gagawin, di ba? So, that is why people are getting trapped by this product na they thought this will provide them a lot of money without doing anything. Okay? But, sabi ko nga, yun yung isa sa danger. Number one, hindi mo nakakontrol at hindi mo pa alam yung nangyayari doon sa system na yun. So, since ito ay automated programmed trading bot, tandaan nyo, of course, application yan, software yan. So, ibig sabihin, may mga technical issues na mangyayari along the way which you are also not in control. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, common dyan yung mga bugs. Okay? Yung mga sudden uncertain activities na ginagawa ng bot na very unusual for some applications which I think majority hindi naman alam ng mga tao yon. So, kaya nga sinasabi ko, numbers don't lie. Don't get me wrong. Meron din namang kumikita from that Forex EAs. But, again, majority dyan nasusunugan, okay? And majority have bad stories and bad experience to those Forex EAs. In short, napaka-high risk nitong Forex EAs. Okay? Huwag kayong masilaw sa mga passive easy money scheme na ino-offer nitong Forex EAs. Take note, it is still better to know ano yung manual trading because you know what's happening and you are in control of your risk. Even though sabihin nila na you should only risk what you can afford to lose, but take note, once nakatikim ka dyan ng panalo, maglalagay ka dyan ng pera. You will be enticed, you will be more attracted to put more money, deposit more money onto your account para i-trade ng bot. Okay? So, ang nangyari dyan, a lot of dangers happen when suddenly, okay, your bot is on a losing streak. So, ibig sabihin, paubos na ng paubos yung pera mo up until sa masunog na yung buong account. Okay? That is the problem na naranasan ng mga taong nag-fail using Forex EAs. Okay? I'm not generalizing. I'm just referring to that majority of people will not make millions on this. Tandaan nyo, Forex EAs can either make or break you. Take note of that. High risk ang Forex EAs. Also, Forex EAs has a disadvantage on lack of adaptability. Okay? Take note, EAs are pre-programmed applications, okay, or product. So, ibig sabihin yan, there are some instances na hindi siya nakakapag-adapt well doon sa market conditions on a sudden move ng market, which sometimes kabaliktaran sa ginagawa ng bot. So, that would result to a more losing trades sa side mo. Okay? Siyempre, since automated yan, there would come a time na merong mga technical issues, technical problems, such as connectivity issues, bugs. So, meaning susceptible yan sa mga platform downtimes, bugs, which in turn loses the opportunity and resulting to losing trades. And isa pa sa mga disadvantage ng EAs is simply some of them are very costly. Okay? Napakamahal ng mga product na to. So, before you can invest, di ba, bibilihin mo muna yung application, this and that, set up nila sa'yo, before you can deposit your own real money. So, for some people, they cannot really afford to avail this product before really making money. So, hindi ka pa kumikita is malaki na yung invest mo. So, take note, that's why for me, using just manual trading and learning manual trading is still the best way to go. So, slowly, ang gusto natin is we don't want to fool people na you will make millions from this EAs. Tandaan nyo guys, real talk lang. Ang yumayaman dyan talaga, yung mga nagmamarket. Bakit? They are all tied up with the brokers. You simply will give them more commissions. Bakit? Ang goal ng bot is to simply trade. The more you trade, okay, the more you make money for the agents. Okay, bakit? Through commissions, the more na nagtitrade yung bot, okay, on a certain lot sizes, of course, may commission yung yung mga agents. And tandaan nyo, there are always two groups, winning side and losing side. Okay, kaya, again, no one will make millions for you, even these trading bots. Okay, you just have to be realistic and there's no easy money when it comes to this Forex trading. Everything, you must have to be knowledgeable. You must learn everything before you avail any of these products, okay? But take note, I do have respect sa mga gumagawa nito, nagbebenta, or nag-offer ng yan. But again, guys, wag nyo naman lokohin yung mga tao that this is the way para yumaman, okay? Marami kasing misconception about EAs na ito na daw yung sagot para wala na kayong gagawin, lalagay nyo lang pera nyo. And most of these EAs are BS. Okay? Kaya anong nangyayari dyan, kumikita sila at certain point, then suddenly, the market will go against them, wipe out their account, and leaving all of their clients scratching their head. Ano nangyari? What happened? And again, ang i-advise naman ng mga agents is simply, mababawi pa natin yan, maglagay pa po kayo ng pera. Diba? So again, you must have to be smart to know all of these things. Tandaan nyo guys, these are products. These are not the answer to all of your financial dilemmas na nararanasan. Better invest on a more safe side. Tandaan nyo, lahat naman may risk, but definitely these EAs are more high risk, di ba? Bakit? In a matter of hours, wala pang isang araw or days lang, di ba? It can wipe up all of your savings na pinagtrabahuhan nyo for so many years. That is why, me personally, I always advocate learning. Mag-aral na lang kayo guys, okay? Instead na doon kayo lagi sa mga easy money, di ba? Lahat ng mga napupunta sa route na yan, anong nangyari? Luhaan, di ba? So, then ma-realize na lang na na-scam pala kayo. Okay? Kasi bakit? These EAs are common for marketing agent frauds and scams, di ba? So, they just ginagawa lang nilang pang-front yung mga EAs, okay, para ma-scam kayo. Okay, bakit? They always want to make commissions from you guys collectively and make money from you. Tandaan nyo, ang target ng mga yan, yung mga walang alam. So, yung walang alam sa trading, at the same time, hindi marunong mag-trade. Kasi bakit? Diba? Akala nila ito yung ginagawa ng mga trader. Nag-ooperate lang ng ganyan and then set and forget and leave everything behind and kumikita na sila habang natutulog. Okay? So, be realistic, scrutinize, mag-research kayo on your own. Ano nga bang mas beneficial sa inyo? Okay? Mas lamang ba yung risk or mas malamang yung mas lamang yung yung makukuha nyong benefit. So, you just have to gauge whether you have to avail this product or not. So, next, going naman tayo dun sa forex trading signals. Okay? Ito naman, these are services. Okay? Tandaan nyo, these forex trading signals are provided by expert professional traders or experienced traders knowing na yung price values na to or yung price level na entry points, entry level, price levels na ibibigay nila sa inyo as a signal will make you more money because sasabay lang kayo sa kanila using that forex trading signals. Again, ang sole purpose naman ng forex trading signal is for you to have this less stress or time saving when it comes to analyzation. Bakit? Hindi mo na kailangan mag-analyze. Nandun na mismo, ibibigay sa yung entry kung saang value. Again, ang purpose nun is para kumita ka without doing anything. Okay? Again, magka-link lang yan sa EA. You are not in control of your trade. Okay? Para ka lang sumusunod sa bagay na hindi mo naintindihan. Kaya most of people fail, most of people nasusunugan at naubusan ng pera dahil hindi nila naintindihan bakit dito yung entry, okay, bakit dito yung stop loss, bakit ito yung TP, and bakit ito yung risk to reward ratio lang. So, again, you are not in control of the trade. You don't know what's happening and ano yung ginawang analysis because of that. For some people na nagbibigay ng training signal services is nagbibigay ng analysis, which is good, di ba? Kaya sabi ko, I do have respect naman sa lahat na nagbibigay ng trading signals, but again, most of them are just, di ba, bogus lang na nagbabato lang ng signal na sometimes kinokopy lang naman doon sa ibang traders din. So, you have to know whether yung sinasalihan nyo na nagbibigay ng trading signals na ina-avail nyo are legit. Okay? So, isa sa mga problema dyan sa trading signals yung delayed execution. Tandaan nyo guys, the time na ginagawa niyan or binabato niya yung trading signals is gumagala na yung market. Okay? So, which means sometimes people ay late na mag-execute. So, the time na in-execute niya yan, pabaliktad na yung market. So, kaya most people fail. Diba? They are delayed in execution. So, yung mga nagbibigay ng trading signals, sometimes huli na rin. Kaya nangyari, apektado yung mga clients niya when it comes to executions. So, in relation nga dun sa ating lack of control, di ba? Marami kasing clients na blinded lang, basta susunod lang, i-click mo lang to, enter mo lang yung price value. Sabi ko nga guys, hindi nyo kasi naiintindihan bakit yun yung entry and anong nangyayari. Kaya pag natalo kayo, okay, kakamot na lang ng ulo and what happens, di ba? Suddenly, ma-realize mo na this will not work for you. And majority of people realize that kapag nasunugan na sila ng account. And lastly, okay, maraming forex trading signal services na talagang scam lang or fraud. Bakit? They will promise you that you will generate higher profits in return of you investing to them. At the same time, magbabayad pa kayo ng di ba, ng mga service fee. Yan yung binabayaran nyo. Kaya para makakuha kayo ng mga signals, okay? Minsan, mas mahal pa yung binayad nyo dun sa services compared dun sa kikitain nyo. Minsan talagang negative kaya dahil wala naman talaga yung kinita dun sa mga signals na. So, nagiging form lang yan ng scam or fraud dahil umaasa yung mga tao na yayaman sila doon. So, take note, no one will make millions for you and these products and services, take note, will not make millions for you. Tandaan nyo guys. So, again, just giving you ideas, ano yung risk, ano yung dangers of availing these services and products, okay? So, tandaan nyo guys, I'm nothing against those people na nag-market niya, nagbibigay niyan. But take note, for me personally, mas lamang kasi yung risk doon kaysa sa benefit. Kaya, for me, I'd rather study na lang yung forex trading manually para alam ko, I am in control of my money, okay? I am in control of my risk. And in short, I am in control of my trade, okay? Or my trades. So, again, this is just a short video providing you ideas, recommendations, suggestions, opinions na, again, before you dive into all those products and services, maybe you have to think twice, okay? Will it provide me more benefit or will it provide me more risk, okay? Bakit, di ba? Karamihan kasi sa mga nag-avail nito, tandaan nyo guys, mga mag-retire na or even OFWs, na minsan, yung inipon nilang pera, ilalagay nila doon and suddenly, wala pang isang linggo guys, sunog na. So, imagine nyo ilang taon nyo yung pinaghirapan and then suddenly, iaasa nyo yung pera nyo sa isang bagay na hindi naman kayo ang gumawa or hindi nyo naiintindihan. Okay? Kaya, again, personally, again, disclaimer lang ha, personal opinion ko lang, I don't use any EAs, I don't avail any forex trading signals, okay? What I'm teaching sa mga estudyante ko is how you get the trade, how you execute, okay? Bakit dun yung entry, bakit dun yung exit, and how to actually win the trade, okay? How to actually trade, okay? That is why sabi ko, walang makakatalo sa pag-aaral, okay? Tandaan nyo guys, walang makakatalo when you acquire more knowledge, okay? So again, nagiging nagiging excuse lang yung mga product services for you to be scammed, okay? Kaya, again, you have to think twice, be smart, lalo na nowadays, digital na ang mga scammer, okay? So, this is just a short video providing you some insights on my personal thoughts on this product and services, particularly Forex EAs and Forex trading signals, okay? So again, thank you so much to all my TFP VIP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta, alright? So, again, God bless. See you all on the next videos. Bye-bye.
So, I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, here we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So, yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profits from the market. But as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So, yun lang. And thank you very much. Right? Bye-bye.